changing lifestyle and a new habit. Wear mask, take color tea or green tea and avoid milk tea. Wash your hands after a few hours with any kinds of soap. Dear students, you are staying at home, but you have given some works or tasks. In this time, you have to make your assignment, and in this time, this class will help you to make a good assignment. Dear students, we are passing a critical moment because in the world prevails the epidemic COVID-19. So, stay home and stay safe. Dear students, I am going to take a class of class 9 and 10. This class is English past paper. You can see I have written some keywords from Unit 3, Lesson 2, May Day. So, today's our topic is May Day. Then students, I am going to discuss about keywords. Our first keywords, number 1, commemorate, and its meaning remember, and its Bengali meaning Siticharan Kora. Number 2, establish, and its meaning create an organization, and its Bengali meaning Protishta Kora. Number 3, exploit, and its meaning oppress, and its Bengali meaning Shoshon Kora. Number 4, observe, and its meaning celebrate, and its Bengali meaning Udjapon Kora. Number 5, rally, its meaning assembly, and its Bengali meaning Shamavesh. Number 6, revolution, and its meaning revolt, and its Bengali meaning Biplab. Number 6, sacrifice, and its meaning give up, and its Bengali meaning ত্যাগ করা. Number 7, staircase, and its meaning stairway, and its Bengali meaning সিঁড়ি. Number 8, striker, and its meaning a person who strike, that means যিনি ধর্মঘট করেন. Number 9, art, and its meaning inspire, and its Bengali meaning প্রেরণা দেওয়া. Dear students, take your textbook and open page at 31. Dear students, you take a pencil and you will remark the words, keywords, and I will discuss or explain the text for your better understanding. So let's start. Lesson 2, May Day. Part B. Read the text and answer the questions that follow. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1 all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. Dear students, May Day or International Workers' Day. The day is very important for whole class of workers, and today every year we observe the day, and we observe the day May 1st day, and not only Bangladesh but also whole countries almost of the world observe the day as May Day. Behind this day, we can find a historical events. Here the narrator explains the event. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. In May 1, you or yours don't come to our school because it is public holiday. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. It is not possible for present days because we come to our school almost 10 o'clock or 9:30, and we will break our school 4 p.m. That means we have to our workplace 6 hours or 7 hours. But it is very critical to thought. It is very critical to think that before 1886, a worker have to work 14 or more hours in a day, and we work the day 14 or more, almost 3 days. But then they work within a day or 1 day. On May 1st in 1886, that means the events occurred in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, that means inspired by the trade unions. Half of the workers at the MC Cormick Harvesting Machine Company in Chicago went to strike, demanding 8 hours work day. The event had occurred in 1886. The date was 1st May 1886. Some workers called a revolt, and they protest that it is not possible to a man to work like a machine, because they had to work 14 hours in a day, and they called a revolt. And then trade unions, MC Cormick Harvesting Machine Company, it is name of company, Chicago, and this company is situated in Chicago. That means America went to strike demanding the rate wars or they had to revolt and they tried their best to minimize the work hours. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the MC Colmick Harvester Machine Company. And 2 days later, that means May 3. That means May 3 in 1886, about 6,000 workers joined it. Rally here. Rally number 5, assembly address joined it. We can say that it was a very big rally because 6,000 people took part in this rally. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. Address means lead here or manage or address means manage. This rally was addressed by the labor leaders. The labor leaders conducts the rally. They urge the workers to stand together. That means if anybody wants to gain anything, and at first he have to inform his owner or concerned people or organizer. So the leaders ordered or called the workers to take part in this rally and together here to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. Here to go on, that means continuous. The leaders wanted to continue their rally and to not give up their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. That means where they meet, where the strike breakers meet. Here is meeting place, that means where the strikers joined. Leaving, that means they are going to left this place. The strikers went down to the street and to bring back. Some leaders tried to come back in the rally, some workers. Suddenly about 2,000 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. Clubs means on kind of sticker strike, and its the top part is fat and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. That means that time one striker has died. 5 or 6 others are seriously wounded and many others were injured. Wounded, that means seriously injured, and many others were injured. Since there presented 6,000 people, so and here 20 police attacked on the rally, so they are caused a very big hue and cry. The events of May 1, 1886 are remembered that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Here the narrator explains that if anyone or any team if wants to get some things or some advantages, at first they have to inform their owners or organizations, and next they have to gather. They have to gather and they have to express or they have to make a revolt to gain something. Its first example, when Bengalis gathered and they took part in a big IR, or our freedom fighters take part in our freedom fighters take part in our independence IR, and it took place in 1971. Instead of this revolt or IR, we got an independent country. Here the narrator explains if the workers and a work can get some opportunities, at first they have to struggle, and by this way they can attain something for their better life, better working place, better conditions. Dear students, your WS homework C, part C. Fill the blanks with the verbs given in the box, put them into their correct forms. Part C. I hope you will try best and you will make your homework. Dear students, I am going to end my class. You will learn, you will do your homework in your home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.